how you stay so happy and energetic. Whenever I see you in all the videos, we
Yes.
see you like more, there is a difference between others and when you speak, right? So how do you stay happy and energetic?
Well, the secret is being happy. See, happiness is a choice. And when it comes to sadness, it is also your choice. So I feel that happiness is a choice. We all have a lot of challenges in our home or in our life or in our surrounding. We have a lot of challenges, but it is our choice to be happy despite of all the challenges. So let's say that I am talking to you in the normal way, just like the way I am talking with you. So like what you're feeling, you must be feeling that, oh, I don't want to attend this session. I just want to go away from this session and I just want to sleep or I want to watch TV. If I will talk with you in this way without smiling and like very normally. So you would not feel that inclination towards me if I will talk to you normally. But on the same time, if I take my voice up, if I will put enthusiasm while speaking, if I will smile, then automatically you get captivated towards me, and you feel that energy inside you. So that's what you are supposed to do. So whenever it doesn't matter that what kind of challenges you are facing in your life. Okay, it literally does not matter.